Welcome to our video series on offering instant software downloads to your visitors. In this video, we'll show you how to look for examples of software you would like to offer. One great way I find for coming up with JavaScript software ideas is to browse existing sites that already have JavaScript code available. Of course, I don't mean taking that code, but it's a good way of seeing what's possible and seeing what you can adapt for your own software. So you can go to javascript.com, and as you can see, it says the definitive JavaScript resource. So let's take a quick look. Okay, actually, if we scroll down, an easier to navigate resource, which is actually related to this site, is here, javascriptsource.com, which actually goes to the address javascript.internet.com. As you can see, script count 2,325, and here at the top, it breaks it up into different categories. For example, let's click on Games. Okay, keep scrolling. Okay, there's one here. The title Ants, and it tells you a bit about it. If you click here, there's a description. And okay, you can see more about it here. And then you can actually download the code and test it out on your own web pages if you like. And it also tells you how to easily add it to your web pages, to a web page so you can test it out. And of course, if you're using this code, you need to keep the copyright messages in place, because this isn't code you own, of course. It's someone else's code. But again, just spending some time browsing these sites is good for getting ideas for what's possible. And it was browsing those sites and similar sites that gave me the idea for the web quiz generator. And then I changed it a little bit for my own software. And another good site is hotscripts.com. Okay, this site has lots of different scripts in lots of different languages, programming languages. What you'd be interested in is JavaScript. And then it breaks it down by, okay, you want to go to Scripts and Programs. Okay, let's try again. And it should be broken down by categories. And again, just spending some time looking through these will give you good ideas for your own software. You know, it's a great starting point, and it gives you an idea of what's possible. So as I mentioned, as I have myself, just spending some time looking through such sites, I find very good for getting ideas and getting possibilities in mind. And then I spend some time expanding the idea, planning it, and then sending that plan to a programmer so it can actually start getting developed. And I'll detail those steps in the coming videos.